Extracting information from engineering drawings through a largely automated process offers some obvious benefits for your business. Less time spent on important but repetitive tasks means more time for staff to focus on complex issues. With analysis driven by artificial intelligence, Discus Ida is the next generation of automation for supporting engineering and inspection. It consistently and accurately extracts information from 2D engineering drawings. The manual documentation process can take hours or even longer for especially complex drawings. IDA cuts the documentation workflow down to just a few minutes by automatically extracting the needed information. The enhanced level of automation offered by IDA goes beyond drawing characteristics. You can also automatically capture and include the bill of documents, bill of materials, default tolerances, and much more. Reducing labor and lead times tied to analysis of the technical data package is a powerful improvement. When the same solution can free highly qualified staff from manually completing an especially tedious process, it adds even more value. Want to learn more about the benefits of Discus IDA for your business? Get in touch with our team today.